Downburst rather than a tornado?
Yeah. Just the pattern I was probably showing Robert and them. If you go up there on there and you see how I see that bird house and stuff.
Oh, yeah, back there?
Yeah, where everything is leaning and the way it's knocked down, that's origin is probably when she hit the ground was probably up in there. When she started hitting down and coming back out like that. But,
and they'll go up and down?
no, once it hits down, it just kind of like waterfalls. It's once it gets rolling down like that. So you was telling me when you was coming in that the wind was coming out of the south.
Yeah, the wind was coming out.